Thanks, Denise. Well, the long-delayed annual general meeting of Netball Jamaica is held next month. One of the major items on the agenda will be the election of a new president. Tonight, we look at the person tipped to fill that role.
When Trisha Robinson told TVJ Sports that she would be stepping down after one term as head of Netball Jamaica, it left a few persons surprised. After all, the Sunshine Girls are ranked at number 3 in the world. No other team, male or female, has ever been ranked as high in their respective discipline. One person so far has indicated that she will be throwing her hat in the ring to lead this successful organization. Karen Baugh has been in the trenches with the girls for a number of years. She's a director and chairs the marketing and sponsorship committee. Speaking with TVJ Sports at the end of the Sunshine Girls' first win over South Africa on Saturday, Baugh says she can make a difference as head of the association.
Well, apart from my passion for netball for a very long time, I feel that I can make a difference. I mean, every president comes in feeling that they can. And I feel that I can build a team that can help to push netball forward. It's on the rise. It took a lot of hard work and a lot of years for Jamaicans to recognize the full potential of the Sunshine Girls. And I think I can work with corporate Jamaica to make sure that we take them to as far as I can, because they really deserve it.
She says if she gets into office, one of her main focus will be to strengthen each parish association so that the game can be played more island-wide.
One of the things is our work on the parish organizations to make sure that netball is being played in a formal, structured way right across Jamaica. A lot of the structured leagues for the clubs happen in Kingston, and we know there are clubs and girls and young women who play netball, and guys too, right around Jamaica. So it's to make sure we have a strong foundation with our parish organizations, because a lot of the girls, they don't come from Kingston, they come from Montego Bay and Clarendon and St. Thomas and all over Jamaica. So that with that structure, we'll be able to build the program to pull them in a little faster.
With her current role being to garner more sponsorship for the association, Baugh says she intends to ramp that up should she be elected president.
I would like to have talked to at least 10 more sponsors who have put up their hand to come on board with the Sunshine Girls and to build that elite program that we know that they deserve.
She outlined what she would want to see accomplished with the Sunshine Girls under her leadership.
Well, for the Sunshine Girls in the short term, obviously to win the Commonwealth Games of 2026 and to win the World Cup of 2027. My ultimate vision is to build the sport, build our umpiring core, our coaches, because you can't have a strong team if your coaches are not certified at the highest level. So there's a lot of work that we have to do with them. We've started, but there's more, and so I'm game.
Pending an updated audited financial statement, the annual general meeting of the association is slated to be held late in February. Garfield Jones for TVJ Sports.